How to activate two WhatsApp accounts in one Android phone. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. Method 1, you can use the dual app features. So most Android phones have a built-in option to clone apps under a variety of names. For that, you need to go to the settings, tap search bar and you can type in app cloner or simply dual apps or dual messenger. So it will vary depending upon your Android device. Once you find it, you can easily access App Cloner or Dual Apps and locate WhatsApp in the list. And you can select WhatsApp and turn on the button for Create App Clone. Once you turn on the button, it will appear on your home screen so you can easily open your second WhatsApp and then register with your second number. The alternate method, if you do not have built-in option of clone application, you can easily download WhatsApp Business from Google Play Store and set up your second phone number just like regular WhatsApp. And that's it. Now you can easily use two WhatsApp accounts in the same phone. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.